Hi, I'm Jeff from Better Living Outdoors, and this is our BeWell Hawkesbury hot tub. What we've been doing over the last 7 days is running a economy mode experiment on the hot tub. So we've already run this spa over a normal week, left on permanently at 37.5 degrees, and run with three 30-minute bathing sessions with the lid open. So what we've done through the last week is, again, run three 30-minute bathing sessions with the lid open at 37.5 degrees. But outside of that window, we've set the spa to cool. So on Saturday, we set the spa cooling down, and basically 9 o'clock Monday morning came round. We lifted the temperature, desired temperature up to 37.5. The spa then heated, obviously with the lid down, and about 11:30 we were up to temperature, and basically we then run the 30-minute bathing session with the lid open. The end of that session, we then set the spa to cool again, put the lid down, and waited till Wednesday when we did the same process at 9 o'clock, set him to heat, run the bathing session about 11, set it to cool again, and then finally did the final bathing session on Friday, and then set it to cool afterwards. So what we have seen from that is through last week, the spa, and if you look down at the little smart display meter there, used £8.17's worth of electricity. Now that's based on 29 pence a kilowatt. Appreciate everybody could be on slightly different rates to that, but it's just a benchmark that we're trying to work with at the moment. And that meant that the hot tub used 28.17 kilowatt hours of electric through last week. Now, when we left it on permanently at temperature, which we did about 2 weeks ago, we used 31.17 kilowatts of electric over the week. So actually not a massive difference. So what we would be saying then is if you left the spa on permanently at 37.5 degrees over a year, you're going to use 1,621 kilowatts. If you set it to cool and then boost it on the days you use it, you're going to use 1,465 kilowatts. So essentially you're going to use 156 kilowatts less in a year setting it to cool. Now, in the real world, as much as we're saying 3 bathing sessions a week, you might use it more, you might use it less. And certainly if you're using it less, that cooling it and then boosting it up on the day you're going to use it is going to make a significant difference to your running costs. So it is definitely something worth considering. It doesn't cost you anything to do it. You've just got to think a little bit about when you're next going to use a hot tub. As we always tell you, these things will heat up at 2 degrees an hour. So as long as you're planning on the day you're going to use it, you turn it up in the morning, it will always be ready to go for you in the evening. So that's our little experiment on our BeWell Hawkesbury. I think it demonstrates really that the insulation system on these tubs is very, very good, but you can still make a saving by setting it to cool and reheat. I'm Jeff from Better Living Outdoors. Thanks for watching.